So in the last lecture, we have started with the solubility of ionic compounds, and solubility के context में हमने एक statement लिखा like dissolves like dissolves like का मतलब ये है polar compounds are soluble in polar solvents and non-polar compounds are soluble in non-polar solvents. It's ionic compound है, it is a polar compound, so it will be soluble in polar solvents. And the best solvent is H2O, which is also called as universal solvent, and it has the highest dielectric constant, and the value of it is 81. ये जो dielectric constant है, it is the measure of solvation. More the dielectric constant, उतना ही ज़्यादा solvate होगा, and जितना ज़्यादा solvate हुआ है, the ions can be separated from each other, the positive and negative charges, if they are effectively solvated, and if they are separated from each other, the possibility of them combining back to form the ionic compound will be less. So better is the solvent. So we also analyzed the steps that are actually taking place whenever a given ionic compound is getting soluble. So if you are taking AB solid, first it will be immediately converted into A positive gaseous and B minus gaseous by accepting the lattice energy. And ये जो lattice energy provide हो रहे initial molecules के लिए, that is taken from the solvent itself. The solvent will have some energy content inside it. That energy content will be utilized for the breaking of
Hello.
Hello, sir. Give me 2 minutes. It got disconnected. So I was discussing the steps involved during solubility. If you are taking AB solid, whenever you are dissolving that in water, the immediate step that will be happening is AB will be accepting lattice energy and it will be converting into isolated gaseous ions. ये जो lattice energy है, we are not supplying any lattice energy externally. Solvent के अंदर जो heat content already available रहेगा, कोई भी system में there will be some available heat content. That heat content will be utilized by some of the molecules of AB. वो utilize, okay, they are converting into A positive gaseous and B minus gaseous. And when those isolated gaseous ions are having some interaction with the solvent, in this case water, they are releasing some energy. अभी ये जो released energy है, that released energy is utilized for the dissociation of undissociated AB. ये तभी यूटिलाइज हो पाएगा whenever the lattice energy is lesser than the hydration energy. If the lattice energy is greater than the hydration energy, in that case ये हाइड्रोजन एनर्जी ए बी को सप्लाई करने के बाद भी वो डिसोशिएट नहीं होंगे ए पॉजिटिव गैसेस और बी माइनस गैसेस में, और else we say that the compound is insoluble उस पर्टिकुलर सिनेरियो में. If hydration energy is greater than lattice energy, then the energy is sufficient for the AB to break into ions. उस पर्टिकुलर केस में we say it will be soluble. If hydration energy is almost equal to lattice energy, तब क्या होगा, ये जो हाइड्रेशन एनर्जी है ये सप्लाई होगा एंड ये ब्रेक होगा. ब्रेक होने के बाद ए पॉजिटिव बी माइनस अपने आप को दिख गया, ये दोनों वापस कंबाइन हो भी जाएगा इन ऑर्डर टू फॉर्म ए बी, क्योंकि ये दोनों एनर्जीज में ज़्यादा फर्क नहीं है. ए के लिए बी माइनस के साथ जितना ज़्यादा फ्रेंडशिप है वो वाटर मॉलिक्यूल्स के साथ भी उतना ही है. सो बी माइनस जब पास में आएगा उसके साथ चला जा सकता है या वाटर मॉलिक्यूल्स के साथ भी इंटरेक्शन हो सकता है. ओके, इन दैट केस सॉल्वेंट के ऊपर ज़्यादा फर्क पड़ेगा, क्योंकि जितना ज़्यादा इफेक्टिवली सॉल्वेट हो जाएगा उतना ज़्यादा इंसुलेट हो जाएगा बी माइनस से. Okay, so now let us see on what factors hydration energy depend, and we will compare that hydration energy minus lattice energy. Okay, I hope यहाँ तक clear है सब लोग को. If you are having any doubts, please ask me. I hope I'm audible to everyone.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so let us understand factors affecting hydration energy. जैसे हमने पीरियोडिक प्रॉपर्टीज में बात किया, hydration energy is directly proportional to charge more the amount of charge. मतलब पॉजिटिव चार्ज या नेगेटिव चार्ज बढ़ता गया उतना ही ज्यादा अनस्टेबल है वो. So in order to have stability, it will try to attract more and more dipoles towards itself, and in the process it will be releasing more and more amount of hydration energy. So the hydration energy is directly proportional to charge and it is inversely proportional to size. Okay, or else I can say it is directly proportional to charge upon size is nothing but charge density. सभी लोग ये वाला पॉइंट तो हमेशा याद रखना. If more and more amount of charge is concentrated in a smaller region, it is highly unstable, and if the same charge is present in a larger region, if more charge is present in a larger region, it is relatively stable. Out of these two ions, even though both of them are having only one positive charge, this particular ion is highly unstable and this ion is relatively stable. So इस केस में हाइड्रेशन ज्यादा होगा. ओके,
फिर से बताइए सर.
सॉरी,
जरा फिर से बताइए ना.
okay, if you are seeing these two ions, is particular a positive charge is present in a smaller area or smaller volume. इस particular case में the same positive charge is present in a larger volume. Okay, so इस case में repulsive forces ज्यादा रहेंगे because of having smaller area or smaller volume. इस case में वो जो repulsive forces relatively कम है, relatively मतलब इसके comparison में. Okay, so out of these two, this will try to attract more and more water molecules towards itself rather than this. उसके वजह से हमने ये भी बात किया इन पीरियोडिक प्रॉपर्टीज, इसका सॉल्वेशन होने के बाद इसका साइज बढ़ जाएगा, बिकॉज सॉल्वेशन होने के बाद द साइज इज द आयन अलोंग विद द डाइपोल्स. ओके, लिथियम पॉजिटिव और Na पॉजिटिव में लिथियम पॉजिटिव विल बी मोर हाइड्रेटेड व्हेन कंपेयर्ड टू Na पॉजिटिव. इन एक्वा सॉल्यूशन द साइज ऑफ द लिथियम पॉजिटिव इज ग्रेटर देन Na पॉजिटिव. ओके,
यस सर.
ठीक है. Or else I can say, if I'm giving you some examples, Li positive Na positive, K positive, Rb positive, Cs positive. The order of hydration energy will be Li positive greater than Na positive greater than K positive greater than Rb positive greater than Cs positive. And if you are taking F minus, Cl minus, Br minus, I minus, इस केस में F minus will be greater than Cl minus greater than Br minus greater than I minus. Again, the reason is size. I can write a statement: hydration energy of a cation or anion decreases down the group लिख सकता हूँ hydration energy of a cation or anion decreases down the group because of increase in size. ये जो lattice energy है, lattice energy also decreases down the group.
Yes, sir.
Okay, lattice energy also decreases down the group. Once observe this formula, we are interested in hydration energy minus lattice energy, right? अगर hydration energy minus lattice energy greater than 0 है तो soluble, less than 0 है तो insoluble, equals to 0 तो sparingly soluble. ऐसा कुछ बात की हमने. अभी down the group, if I am taking ionic compounds of same group, okay, what is happening? Down the group, hydration energy decrease हो रहा है. Lattice energy भी क्या हो रहा है? Decrease हो रहा है. Okay. Can I say whichever decreases faster, that will influence the solubility, or that will determine the solubility?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Suppose जो lattice energy है, if it is decreasing at a faster rate, मतलब बहुत तेजी से घटता जा रहा है. In that case, what will happen to hydration energy minus lattice energy? Will it increase or decrease?
More than 0 increase.
I'm just asking about the term hydration energy minus lattice energy. Will it increase or decrease? ऐसा पूछ रहा हूँ.
Increase.
It will increase. एक एग्जांपल देता हूँ. नहीं तो सपोज हाइड्रेशन एनर्जी मान लेते हैं 10 और लैटिस एनर्जी मान लेते हैं 9. मान लेते हैं वो जो पर्टिकुलर कंपाउंड सॉल्युबल है, हाइड्रेशन एनर्जी माइनस लैटिस एनर्जी इज greater than 0. Down the group, I am going down the group. If hydration energy decreases, lattice energy भी decreases. Both of them decrease. Suppose hydration energy 10 से 9 हुआ, but ये जो lattice energy है, it is decreasing by 2 units. ये 9 से 7 हुआ. फिर से नीचे जाते समय hydration energy 9 से 8 हुआ. If this is decreasing by 2 units, 7 minus 2, it will be 5. This is 7 or 6. This will be 3 or 1. In this case, the hydration energy minus lattice energy, पहले केस में it is equal to 1. In the second case, it is equal to 2, equal to 3, equal to 4, equal to 5. So what is happening to hydration energy minus the lattice energy इस context में down the group?
Increasing.
Minutes से क्यों decrease हो रहा है?
Okay. It is increasing, right? If it is increasing, जितना ज़्यादा hydration energy minus lattice energy जितना ज़्यादा positive रहेगा, उतना ही ज़्यादा soluble होगा. Okay? ठीक है? So इस particular context में I can say the solubility is increasing for these compounds down the group.
Yes, sir.
उसका उल्टा context क्या होगा? Hydration energy is decreasing at a faster rate, but the lattice energy is decreasing at a slower rate. मतलब hydration
Solubility increases.
हाँ, इन उस पर्टिकुलर सिनेरियो में द सॉल्युबिलिटी डिक्रीजेस डाउन द ग्रुप. ओके, देखो हमने लैटिस एनर्जी जो है, it also depends on one more factor. The factor is packing, or the factor is similarity in the size of the ions or geometry. वो जो पॉजिटिव चार्ज और नेगेटिव चार्ज, वो जो कैटियन एंड एनियन, if the sizes are comparable, the packing will be effective and the lattice energy will be relatively more when compared to a packing where it is having some inefficiency. मतलब if there is a difference in the size of the ions. Again, please observe. I will give you some examples. If I take LiF, NaF, KF, RBF, CSF. In all the cases, the anion is the same, which is fluoride, but the cation जो है, it is varying, and all the cations belong to the same group. If I try to mark these particular compounds, if I try to show this size, show the relative sizes, Na positive जो है, थोड़ा size बड़ा, but the size of the anion same है, वो तो same है. K positive जो है, और थोड़ा बड़ा, this is the size of the anion. RB positive और थोड़ा, and CS positive has the highest size. इस particular case में देखो, the charges are same, so we won't be comparing the lattice energy based on charge. We will be comparing the lattice energy based on size. As you go down the group, the size of the anion is not affected, but the size of the cation is increasing. Because of the increase of the size of the cation, what will happen to the lattice energy? It will definitely decrease. ये तो मानते हो ना? But as you go down the group, what is happening to the packing? वो packing effectively बनता जा रहा है या वो बिगड़ता जा रहा है?
बिगड़ता जा रहा है.
Okay. Because of this, can I say the decrease in lattice energy will be more? Lattice energy is definitely decreasing, but the rate of decrease will be more. The lattice energy will be decreasing at a faster rate. Hydration energy जो है, it depends only on two factors. One is size and the other is charge. Lattice energy depends on three factors: size, charge, as well as packing. Even in this case, the hydration energy is also decreasing. Okay, but the lattice energy जो decrease हो रहा है, it will be decreasing at a faster rate because of the decrease in the packing efficiency. Okay, so इस scenario में I can say as lattice energy is decreasing at a faster rate, the solubility will increase. ये वाला context हो गया. Okay, solubility increase होने का मतलब क्या है? CSF will be more soluble than LiF. Okay, दूसरा context, दूसरा example दे रहा हूँ, एक मिनट. If I am taking LiBr NaBr KBr RBBr and CSBr. Br माइनस का जो साइज है वो ऑलरेडी ज्यादा है, ये पॉजिटिव हो गया, मान लेते हैं नेगेटिव. अब NaBr थोड़ा बड़ा होगा, ये तो उतना ही रहेगा नेगेटिव, और थोड़ा बड़ा होगा, इस पर्टिकुलर केस में down the group, what is happening to the packing efficiency? Is it increasing or decreasing?
Increasing.
Increasing.
It is increasing. The packing is becoming more and more effective. In this case, what will happen to the lattice energy down the group? Will it decrease or increase?
Increase.
No, the lattice energy will always decrease because what is happening to the size of the ions? आपको पहले दो factors are more contributing factors. Okay, if the size increases, lattice energy will definitely decrease. Size बढ़ता जा रहा है ना? The size of the cation is increasing. If the size increases, the lattice energy will definitely decrease. But because of the achievement of packing efficiency down the group, the lattice energy will be decreasing at a slower rate. और डेफिनेटली डिक्रीज होगा और डिक्रीज होने का मैग्नीट्यूड जो है वो कम होता जाएगा. द लैटिस एनर्जी विल बी डिक्रीजिंग एट अ स्लोअर रेट. रीजन बीइंग देयर इज अचीवमेंट ऑफ द पैकिंग एफिशिएंसी. In this case, the lattice energy decreases, but it will be decreasing at a faster rate because of the decrease in the packing efficiency. ये दोनों केसेस क्लियर है. सो इस केस में क्या होगा, हाइड्रेशन एनर्जी उसी पर्टिकुलर रेट से घटता जा रहा है, बट द लैटिस एनर्जी इज डिक्रीजिंग एट अ स्लोअर रेट. सो ओवरऑल हाइड्रेशन एनर्जी माइनस लैटिस एनर्जी क्या होगा? It will be decreasing. Okay, hydration energy minus lattice energy will be decreasing, or else I can say the solubility decreases. LiBr will be more soluble when compared to CSBr. Okay. So comparison करने के लिए I can divide the anions into two different sets. One is a larger anion where the packing efficiency will be achieved down the group, and the other is a smaller anion where the packing efficiency will be decreased down the group. In case of larger anion, lattice energy will be decreasing at a slower rate as you go down the group. In case of smaller anion, lattice energy will be decreasing at a faster rate as you go down the group. Okay, so smaller ion के case में down the group, what happens to solubility?
Decrease.
Down
Increase. Increase.
Smaller anion के case में down the group the solubility increases. Larger anion के case में down the group the solubility decreases. बस overall इतना ही है. Okay, इसके बारे में लिखेंगे. I hope ये वाला पार्ट क्लियर है आप लोग को.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
A large cation is stabilized. A large cation is stabilized by a large anion. And a small cation is stabilized by small anion. Therefore, the symmetry of ions and consequently the geometry, the symmetry of ions and consequently the geometry of the crystal also affects the solubility. We will divide all the anions into two different sets. One is a larger anion and the other is a smaller anion. Set A when lattice energy large anion के केस में lattice energy will it decrease slower than the hydration energy or faster than the hydration energy? Smaller anion के
Slower.
केस में, sorry, larger
Smaller.
anion के केस में, sorry, larger के केस में the lattice
Slow.
energy will be decreasing slower when compared to the hydration energy. When lattice energy decreases slower than the hydration energy. उस पर्टिकुलर केस में solubility decreases down the group. Solubility decreases down the group. Examples of large anions. If you're having more than one atom in any given anion, if you're having more than one atom in the given anion, in general it will be a larger anion. Okay, ClO4 minus, you are having 5 atoms. जितना ज़्यादा atoms रहेंगे, obviously उसका size बढ़ जाएगा. So ClO4 minus is a larger anion. NO3 minus, Br minus, CrO4 2 minus, chromate, H2O3 2 minus, H2O3 2 minus. What is it called? Any name? H2O3 2 minus. What is SO4 2 minus? What is the name of SO4 2 minus? Sulfate, na? Sulfate. If you are replacing one of the oxygen with sulfur, you will get H2O3 2 minus. Whenever you replace oxygen with sulfur, it is called as thio. So H2O3 2 minus is called as thiosulfate. याद रखो, ये आगे के लिए आप लोग को यूज रहेगा. SO4 2 minus is sulfate. If you replace one of the oxygen by sulfur, it is called as thio. Hence, it is called as thiosulfate. Okay. So these are the typical examples for large anions. Idea क्या है? If you are seeing more than one atom in a given anion, obviously it will be a larger anion. उसके अलावा Br minus is also treated as large anion. Okay. I'm giving you some examples. If I'm taking these anions, if I'm making an ionic compound with Li positive, Na positive, K positive, Rb positive, Cs positive. मतलब I'm having either LiClO4, NaClO4, KClO4, RpClO4, CsClO4, or I can take LiNO3, NaNO3, KNO3, RbNO3, CsNO3, LiBr, NaBr, KBr, RBr, CsBr. Okay. इनके कंपैरिजन में what will be the solubility? Li के साथ it will be the greatest, and down the group it will decrease, because down the group you are achieving some packing efficiency, because of which the lattice energy will be decreasing slower when compared to the hydration energy. Clear hai? Similarly, if you take ions, anions, NO3 minus, CO3 2 minus carbonate, SO4 2 minus, and X has Br minus और I minus. Br minus ही बड़ा है तो I minus भी बड़ा हो जाएगा ना. Be2 positive, Mg2 positive, Ca2 positive, strontium and barium सेम ही रहेंगे. Be2 positive greater than Ba2 positive. समझ में आ रहा है ना आप लोग को? Everyone in the lecture? ये वाला पार्ट समझ में नहीं आया? मतलब बार बार इतने सारे कॉम्पाउंड्स क्यों लिखना है करके इधर ब्रैकेट में लिख रहा हूँ. B with this anion, Mg with this anion, कोई एक एनियन पकड़ो, बाकी सबके साथ कॉम्पाउंड बनाओ. मतलब NO3 माइनस लिया है तो I will be having BNO3 twice, MgNO3 twice, CaNO3 twice, strontium nitrate, barium nitrate. Okay. इनमें I am comparing the solubility. As this is a larger anion, down the group the solubility decreases. So BNO3 twice is more soluble when compared to MgNO3 twice, so on and so forth. Or you can have a carbonate, BeCO3, MgCO3, CaCO3, strontium carbonate, barium carbonate. इनमें comparison कर रहे हैं तो again carbonate being larger anion, down the group solubility decreases. Okay, ये वाला representation समझ में आया आप लोग को? Any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. Chromate CrO4 2 minus, sulfite thiosulfate इस केस में, और जो बेरिलियम और मैग्नीशियम में those always exists in aqueous state, so उनका solubility वो completely soluble है, so उनका solubility compare ही नहीं करेंगे. कैल्शियम, स्ट्रोंशियम, बेरियम का कंपेयर कर रहा हूँ. जो ऑलरेडी 100% soluble है, no need to compare among them. They exist only in solutions. I hope this is clear. ये तो जनरल थ्योरी के हिसाब से हो गया, but again there are some exceptions. Even in case of large anions, हमारा expected result is down the group the solubility must decrease. Okay, but there are some anions where there are some exceptions, so exceptions मैं लिखता हूँ, वो important है. The exceptions are very important. You can get direct questions from those exceptions. Exceptions. Carbon containing anions. Oxalate, whose formula is C2O4 2 minus. C2O4 2 minus. CaC2O4 CaC2O4, strontium oxalate, barium oxalate and beryllium oxalate. एक्सपेक्टेड क्या है? बेरिलियम ऑक्सलेट जो भी है वो सबसे ज्यादा सॉल्युबल होना चाहिए था, ओके, बट क्या हो रहा है, वो सबसे लीस्ट हो गया. याद रखना ये, यू नीड टू रिमेम्बर द एक्सेप्शंस. नेक्स्ट, इन केस ऑफ कार्बोनेट्स, ये जो लिथियम कार्बोनेट है, सोडियम कार्बोनेट, पोटेशियम कार्बोनेट, रुबिडियम, what is the expected order?
Li greater than Na greater than K
greater than.
RB.
सब ग्रेटर होना चाहिए ना.
हाँ.
Okay.
Yes sir.
हाँ देखो आई एम सॉरी, एग्जाम्पल 1 में मैं थोड़ा गलत बताया था. इसमें क्या एक्सपेक्टेड ऑर्डर इज ग्रेटर, राइट? CaC2O4, SrC2O4, BaC2O4 ग्रेटर होना चाहिए एंड BaC2O4 सबसे ज्यादा. ठीक है, BaC2O4 तो सबसे ज्यादा तो है ही है इसमें, बट बाकी सब में वो जो ऑर्डर है ग्रेटर होना चाहिए था, लेसर हो रहा है. इस पर्टिकुलर केस में Li2CO3 must be greater than, Na2CO3 must be greater than, K2CO3 greater than, Rb2CO3 greater than, CH2CO3 वो होना चाहिए था, but the order is exactly reverse. Li2CO3 is least soluble.
Sir,
Yeah.
सर वो फर्स्ट एग्जांपल समझाऊं.
MG नहीं है क्या उसमें? MG
उसमें Mg नहीं है, Mg नहीं है. Mg जो है वो completely insoluble है. फर्स्ट एग्जांपल में क्या रहा है? फर्स्ट एग्जांपल में क्या हो रहा है? एक्सपेक्टेड क्या है? CaC2O4 ज्यादा होना चाहिए, और एल्स BeC2O4 जो है ये सबसे ज्यादा होगा, एंड फॉलोड बाय CaC2O4, SrC2O4, BaC2O4. ये एक्सपेक्टेड है. दिस इज द एक्सपेक्टेड ऑर्डर. एक्सेप्शन आप लोग को याद रखना है, CaC2O4 is less than, SrC2O4 less than, BaC2O4 it is less than BeC2O4. BeC2O4 अभी भी सबसे ज्यादा ही है, बाकी सब जो है those are lesser. Please remember these exceptions. We are not seeing any reasons for this. There are multiple reasons. We are not at all worried about the reasons. Please remember the exceptions. JEE मेंस में डायरेक्ट आएगा. Bicarbonates, again the order is NaHCO3, KHCO3 less than, RbHCO3 less than, CSHCO3. ये जो लिथियम बाइकार्बोनेट है, अगेन लिथियम बाइकार्बोनेट एग्जिस्ट ओनली इन सॉल्यूशन, सो उसके सॉल्युबिलिटी को कंपेयर नहीं करेंगे. एग्जिस्ट ओनली इन सॉल्यूशन. इज दिस क्लियर? बस इतना ही है, 3 एक्सेप्शंस आप लोग को याद रखना है.
यस सर.
ओके, नेक्स्ट सेट बी. सेट ए में हमने लार्ज एनियन के बारे में पढ़ा. सेट बी we will be seeing smaller anion.
Small.
In case of small anion, what happens to lattice energy down the group? When lattice energy decreases
rapidly.
faster or rapidly. Yeah, decreases faster than hydration energy. In that case, solubility increases down the group. Okay. स्मॉल आयनियंस के लिए दो ही एग्जांपल्स है, F माइनस OH माइनस. So F minus or OH minus small anions जैसे कंसिडर किया तो so Cl minus is also treated as larger anion. Okay, F minus OH minus are only the two ions which are treated as small ions. Example, F minus OH minus, Li positive, Na positive, K positive, Rb positive, Cs positive. Li positive is down the group. What happens to the solubility? It increases. So Li positive is less than, Na positive less than, K positive less than, Rb positive less than, Cs positive, or LiF less than, NaF less than, Kf less than, RBF less than, CSF. Okay. OH minus के साथ Be2 positive less than Mg2 positive. इसमें भी थोड़ा एक्सेप्शंस है. If you are taking a fluorine, फ्लोराइड के साथ Mg2 positive is less than, Ca2 positive less than, strontium, बेरियम, बट बेरिलियम जो है सबसे ज्यादा है. एक्सपेक्टेड क्या है, बेरिलियम सबसे कम होना चाहिए, बट इसका फ्लोराइड के केस में बेरिलियम सबसे ज्यादा होता है.
हेलो।
मैंने आपको 2 क्वेश्चंस दिया है. There is only one exception which you need to remember in case of small anions, AF minus और alkali earth metals के केस में. Okay, please solve these two. Mark the order for these two.
सर स्क्रीन दिख नहीं रही, ब्लैक स्क्रीन आ रही।
स्क्रीन दिख नहीं रहे.
यस सर,
ब्लैक स्क्रीन आ रही है।
ब्लैक
हाँ सर।
एक मिनट. अभी?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Mark the order for these two questions. Fluorides or bromides of alkali metals. For fluorides, the solubility, will it increase or decrease down the group? For bromides, the solubility, will it increase or decrease down the group? Answer?
Decrease down the group.
Decrease down the group. LIF. ये वाला LIF fluorides increase down the group ना?
Increases down the group.
Increase down the
और bromide वाला decrease हो
Bromide
जाएगा.
decrease down the group.
Bromide वाला decrease down the group. इसका मतलब क्या है? In a given amount of water, CSF, more and more amount of CSF can be dissolved when compared to LIF. In a given amount of water, more and more amount of LiBr can be dissolved when compared to CSBr. इतना ही. Okay.
सर ये जरा समझाइए ना।
ये जो fluoride है, fluoride is the case of smaller anion. So down the group as you go, as the size of the cation increases, और जो packing efficiency है वो decrease होता जा रहा है, because of which the lattice energy is decreasing faster when compared to hydration energy. If lattice energy decreases faster when compared to hydration energy, then the solubility increases down the group. So सबसे ज़्यादा CS होगा, सबसे कम lithium fluoride होगा. दूसरे केस में ब्रोमाइड जो है, it is larger anion. So down the group as you are going, the packing efficiency is achieved because cation का size भी बढ़ता जाएगा. Br minus दोनों common size होते समय there is achievement of packing efficiency. उस reason की वजह से lattice energy decreases slower when compared to the hydration energy. If lattice energy is decreasing slower, hydration energy minus lattice energy जो है, it will also decreases. If it is decreasing, the solubility is decreasing down the group. So LiBr is the highest and CSBr is the least. Okay. I hope this is clear to everyone. ये जो एक्सेप्शंस हमने जो भी पढ़ा है ना, बाद में हम इनऑर्गेनिक केमिस्ट्री सेपरेट चैप्टर्स में भी पढ़ेंगे. These examples will come back. Don't worry. The exceptions. Exceptions के अलावा जो भी है, you need to know. Okay. Next concept. Polarization of ionic bonds. Polarization of ionic bonds. Can a bond be 100% covalent?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
What is the condition for that?
Homoatomic
Someone.
Okay, or else the electronegativities of the bonding atoms, if it is exactly same,
Yes.
in that case the bond will be 100% covalent. Can a bond be 100% ionic?
No.
No, sir. No.
No, sir.
Okay. उसी के बारे में अभी हम डिस्कस करने वाले हैं. The polarization of ionic bonds, which is given by Fazan's rules. Or else it tells us about change of ionic character to covalent. Change of ionic character to covalent character. If we have any atom and if it is losing electrons to form a cation, what will happen to the Z star of the cation? It increases. What will happen to the size of the cation with respect to the neutral atom? Will it increase or decrease?
decrease.
Decreases.
The size decreases because of the increase in Z star. Okay. If we are having an atom converting into anion, what will happen to its Z star?
Decrease.
Decreases. And what will happen to its size?
Increase.
Increase.
Increases. Okay. So whenever you are having a ionic bond, there will be cation as well as anion. Inside the cation, the Z star got increased, and inside the anion, the Z star got decreased. So the cation will always try to pull the electrons, and the anion will always try to give away the electron. Or the cation will always try to pull the electron density, and the anion will always try to give away the electron density. Okay, this particular process is called as polarization. मतलब सपोज मेरे पास एक कैटियन है. आइडियल केस में क्या होना चाहिए? जो भी इलेक्ट्रॉन उसने एनियन को दिया है, that electron density must entirely reside on the anion. This is the case when there is no polarization. मतलब the cation is not trying to pull the electron density, and the anion is also not ready to give away the electron density. But होता क्या है? The cation will always try to pull the electron density which is present on the anion. In the process, the electron density of the anion will overlap with the electron density of the cation. अभी ये जो पर्टिकुलर रीजन है वो ओवरलैप हुआ है, ये किस वजह से हुआ है? The cation is trying to pull the electron density on the anion and the anion is also trying to give away the electron density. So उस process में some of the electron density of the anion got overlapped with the electron density of the cation. ये जो भी overlapped part है, that overlapped part is nothing but the covalent character. Okay, and the process is called as polarization. Okay, is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, for a cation, as the cation is pulling the electron density, we define polarizing power.
तो पोलराइजेशन का डेफिनेशन दीजिए।
देता हूं। For a cation, we define polarizing power, and for an anion, we define polarizability. Polarizability. The ability to get polarized is called as polarizability. Okay. For a cation, as it is pulling the electrons, we define polarizing power. And for an anion, as it is getting polarized, we define polarizability. Okay. ये polarization का definition देता हूं। When two oppositely charged ions of unequal size approach each other closely during formation of an ionic bond, the cation, smaller in size, attracts outermost electrons of the anion. It also repels the nuclear charge. It also repels the nuclear charge. The net result is distortion. The net result is distortion or polarization of the bigger anion. ये जो इलेक्ट्रॉन क्लाउड है एनियन के ऊपर, that got distorted or it got polarized. And for an anion, we define polarizability. For a cation, we define polarizing power. Polarizing power is nothing but the power to attract the electron density which is present on the anion. Polarizability is the ability of the anion to get polarized or to get distorted. Okay. Can anyone tell me on what factors ये जो polarizing power और ये polarizability depend होगा?
size, charge,
Size, again, the factors which affect the polarizing power and polarizability are size and charge. More is the charge on the cation, what will be its polarizing power?
more,
ज्यादा होगा या कम होगा? ज्यादा होगा. more the charge on the cation, Z star उसका उतना ही ज्यादा होगा. Z star जितना ज्यादा होगा उतना ही ज्यादा अट्रैक्ट करने के लिए कोशिश करेगा. So more is the charge on the cation, more will be its polarizing power. What can you comment on the charge of the anion? Charge of the anion. If you are taking more and more charge on the anion, what will happen to Z star? उतना ही ज्यादा कम होगा.
Yes, sir.
If
Decrease.
the Z star decreases, it will try to give away its electron density more and more easily. So what is happening to its polarizability? It is increasing.
Increase.
More the charge on the anion, more will be the polarizability. Okay. With respect to size, polarizing power cation के लिए size जितना छोटा रहेगा, if the size of the cation is small, can I say its nucleus will be closer to the electron density? ये जो cation का size जितना छोटा हो जाएगा, इसका न्यूक्लियस इसके इलेक्ट्रॉन डेंसिटी से उतना ही पास में रहेगा. जितना पास में रहेगा उतना ज्यादा अट्रैक्टिव फोर्सेस से उतना ही ज्यादा पोलराइजेशन होगा. Is this clear? If a cation is very small, its nucleus will be much closer to the electron density of the anion. In that case, it can pull more and more electron density or the polarization increases. Is this clear? Everyone in the lecture?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. एनियन के कंटेक्स्ट में साइज क्या होना चाहिए? ज्यादा होना चाहिए या कम होना चाहिए अच्छा पोलराइजेबिलिटी के लिए? What can you comment on size of the anion for better polarizability?
bigger size, more
ज्यादा साइज होना
polarized.
चाहिए,
ज्यादा साइज होना चाहिए.
बड़ा होना चाहिए.
Again, please try to understand this. अगर एनियन का साइज बड़ा हो गया, खुद के एनियन का न्यूक्लियस उसके आउटरमोस्ट इलेक्ट्रॉन डेंसिटी से दूर हो गया. Okay. Or I can say if the anion size is more, the electron density will be closer to the cation. दो चीजें मैं बात कर सकता हूं. एक तो खुद का न्यूक्लियस जो है, it will be far from the outermost electron density, so the attractive forces will be less, or it can easily give away the electron density. Or I can say because of its greater size, the cation will be closer to the outermost electron density of the anion. It can effectively pull the electrons. Okay. So overall for more and more covalent character, मतलब for more and more polarization, जितना ज़्यादा polarization होगा, covalent character भी उतना ज़्यादा होगा. So in order to increase the polarization or in order to increase the covalent character, what we should do? We should increase the polarizing power and you should increase the polarizability. So I can say covalent character is directly proportional to polarizing power and polarizability. So cation और anion के context में क्या बात कर सकते हैं? Charge of the cation ज़्यादा होना चाहिए and size of the cation कम होना चाहिए in order to have more polarizing power and more covalent character. Anion के context में charge of the anion ज़्यादा होना चाहिए and size of the anion भी ज़्यादा होना चाहिए. cation के केस में size of the cation कम होना चाहिए. Anion के केस में size of the anion भी ज़्यादा होना चाहिए in order to have more polarizability and more covalent character. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, we will take a break here. We will continue in the next lecture. यही से start करता हूँ next lecture में. Don't worry. Thank you everyone.
Thank you.